Good afternoon, everyone. Today afternoon, we have joined all together for this Dr. Mamta Lekhi oration. This oration basically is in remembrance of Dr. Mamta Lekhi, who had been a very a prominent East Delhi Gynae Forum member, who was very humble person, very down to earth, and had a friendly nature and really helpful to everyone. Whoever has approached her has been really struck by her persona. And the first Dr. Mamta Lekhi audition had gone to Dr. Surjit Kapoor ma'am, and this is the second audition today where Dr. Deepshikha Goyal ma'am has been awarded this audition. I request Dr. Surjit Kapoor ma'am to please introduce the Dr. Mamta Lekhi audition and the speaker.
Yes, madam should.
Doctor, before I audition gets started, I wish to tell you that we have lost one of the initial 4 pillars of Delhi Gynecologist Forum. Dr. Sunita Photedar, we have known together, and she is one of the initial 4 or 5 people who thought about making Delhi Gynecologist Forum. I have known her since 1999. And this is when the female feticide movement was going on. That was the time that, I was introduced to her. And then in 2000, she was a very big part with us within Anemia Free India movement, as well as in adolescent health workshops. And when I became the chairperson of Women Wing of Indian Medical Association, she was one of my left hand. With a very heavy heart, I wish to tell you that, we lost her this morning, and we will take just 1 minute, be in silence to see that the departed soul reaches the right place. This thing, so we take 1 minute. Can I have your attention? My humble request is that, we will follow it up when is the ceremony by the family getting organized. And in case if nothing is getting organized at that time, we will hold one Bhajan Sandhya in her this thing, and we can think about it. So now with these words, I will request Dr. Surjit to carry on.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Although it is a sad day for all of us, but still life goes on. I just start this way. मैं यादों का किस्सा खोल दूं, कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. मैं गुजरे पल को सोचूं, तो कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. अब जाने कौन सी नगरी में रहते हैं, किस मुद्दत से वहाँ रहते हैं. मैं देर तक जागूं, तो मुझे कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. कुछ बातें थी फूलों जैसी, कुछ लहजे थी खुशबू जैसे. इस शहरे चमन में टहलूं तो कुछ दोस्त याद आते हैं. सबकी जिंदगी बदल गई, एक सिरे में ढल गई. किसी को किसी की फुर्सत है कि नहीं, पर मुझे वो पल बहुत याद आते हैं. मुझे We all are looking forward to this meeting. This is a special day. We all are celebrating the memories of Dr. Mamta, a very dear friend of everyone here in EGGF, Dr. Mamta Lekhi, who was a genuine, loving, passionate, and very simple soul. Even though I feel sad and I feel unfortunate to appreciate her life, which has now become a memory. She deserved this more during her lifetime. This is a reminder that we should appreciate the life by living it. Life is not about how long we have lived. It is how well we have lived it. Here are few lessons which we have to learn from her. Life is very simple, but we insist on complicating it. But also that simplicity leads to contentment. But that does not mean the absence of any decor. It means the achievement of success with minimum means. If you talk of character, if you talk of behavior, if you talk of the style, in all these matters, her supreme excellence was her simplicity. Her life was not a bed of roses. In fact, it was quite the contrary to this. But she was a warrior who bravely and sailed throughout all the storms of her life. She portrayed the role of a daughter, a wife, a mother, and a friend to the perfection and with such a grace and ease. Her ethics towards the profession shall always remain unparalleled for me. Her sincere efforts and contribution to our forum, both on the stage and off the stage, will have left us an indelible mark on East Delhi Gynae Forum. So to keep her par excellence contribution alive, under the kind guidance of Dr. Sharda Jain, who are here to award the Dr. Mamta Lekhi Oration Award, I also salute the madam, the wisdom of Dr. Sharda Jain to commemorate the memory of such a distinguished member of EDGR. She really works hard to keep her alive in our thoughts and our prayers. With all these words for Dr. Mamta Lekhi, although the words are so small to explain about Dr. Mamta Lekhi, still, whatever I said, it is true to my heart. Now, who lives and who emulate this characters, who emulate this personality is none other. Dr. Deepshikha is there, who lives in a content manner, who seeks elegance always, who's a worthy person, who thinks quietly, who talks gently and acts frankly, who listens to the stars and birds with an open heart, who bears all cheerfully, yet bravely. There is none other, my dear friend, Dr. Deepshikha is there, who is going to speak her heart on this Dr. Mamta Lekhi Oration.
पहले तो जैसे डॉक्टर शोभा ने कहा कि दिवंगत आत्माओं को श्रद्धांजलि देना चाहती हूँ, और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि मैं मैम को के जो आज इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड्स हैं वहां से स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. मतलब इतनी पॉजिटिविटी है जो मैम ने कहा है, जबकि मैं हैरान हूँ कि यही सब बातें मैंने मैम के लिए लिखी हैं ऑलरेडी, और मतलब हम कितना मैम को जान गए हैं ऑलरेडी. ठीक है, थैंक यू मैम. थैंक्स डॉक्टर सुजीत फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स. I am really honored to speak on this platform of all learned and seniors, friends and seniors. I am really proud to receive Dr. Mamta Lekhi Oration. She was a very humble, intelligent and contented person as I knew her, and we heard a lot from Dr. Sujit about her. So I want to say life is a journey, what we experience since our childhood. I am thankful to my parents who have nurtured and inspired me since my birth to become a doctor and good human being. My father, who was worldly wise, Dr. Tayal, he was a medical graduate from KGMC Lucknow. When I was born in his classmates' hospital, my grandmother told her, Dr. Sushila, I will make her a gynecologist like you one day. And these words echoed in our house constantly, and probably that got imbibed in me. And I walked onto that path, guided my parents, and then became a gynecologist. And I'm proud to be a gynecologist. If life will give me a chance, another chance, I will become a gynecologist only. No other choice I have. My mother is also an excellent person and human being. She gave us values to work tirelessly. Although I lost my father 29 years ago, but I don't remember any one day. I don't remember him, and he would have been the proudest father today if he would have been here today. When your parents have so much responsibilities to do, and they still could afford a beautiful life to you, you should appreciate their sacrifices. In medical college days and residency days, I got wonderful teachers and guides. Stephen Hospital gave me an excellent confidence to work in obstetrics, and they gave excellent atmosphere of learning. Their way of working was so to the point and neat and clean that I learned from them. लोग कहते हैं दिल्ली अच्छा नहीं है, दिल्ली बहुत पोल्यूटेड है, दिल्ली साफ नहीं है, पर न जाने क्या कशिश है दिल्ली की गलियों में, हर कोई खिंचा आता है. इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं, हमें भी बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली. हम लोग खाली हाथ आए थे और आज अपने पैरों पर खड़े हैं. Now I am on the verge of senior citizen club. We learn throughout our life from parents, teachers, families and friends. But very few teachers are there who force you, encourage you, push you out of your comfort zone and shape you in such a way that you could have never imagined. मैं तो चुपचाप पर्दे के पीछे काम करने वाली थी, जैसे डॉक्टर सुजीत ने बताया. कभी सोचा ही नहीं था फैशन शो में पार्टिसिपेट करूंगी. I will walk on the ramp. I will participate in the play. डांस करवाया, डांस का किया मैंने. एंड इन सब चीजों के पीछे, और आज मैं बोल रही हूँ, सबके पीछे एक ही पर्सन है, वो है मैडम डॉक्टर शारदा जैन मैडम. आई स्टिल डोंट नो व्हाट शी हैज सीन इन मी. उनके लिए मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगी, अ बॉस इज द वन हु आस्क्स फॉर रिस्पेक्ट बाय शोइंग दैट ही और शी हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ इज important. But a leader like madam is the one who commands respect by showing that you are also important. So I really thank madam from bottom of my heart with lots of gratitude, and who shaped me and instilled confidence in me. My husband, Dr. Umesh, my children and friends. I can never forget Dr. Sujit, who always guided me, always instilled confidence कि नहीं तुम कर सकती हो. मैडम के बाद डॉक्टर सुजीत हैं जो हर चीज में मुझे आगे प्रमोट करती हैं. She helped me at every juncture. I believe good relationships, compassion and peace of mind are much more important than achievements, degrees and money. I am a strong believer of God. If you are praying for something, God is always working on that. Our social media platforms have encouraged us and have given us the opportunity to write and express ourselves what we think is right. It may be about our history, our culture, our religion, spiritualism, or routine problems of every individual. It has connected people all across the globe. We all discuss problem of our country as well. हमारे देश में क्या चल रहा है? We always discuss. So, friends, India is currently facing the biggest crisis in its history. No, it's not COVID-19. I am not talking about COVID-19. I am talking about worst national water crisis. In fact, it is considered the center of global water and sanitation crisis. The problem is so big that our lives, livelihoods, and futures hang in the balance, which cannot be easily resolved by water pumps, purifiers, and bottled water. बचपन में एक मूवी देखी थी, सभी ने देखी होगी, 2 बूंद पानी. देखिए कब लोगों को अवेयरनेस थी कि पानी के लिए कितना प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है. तभी से मेरे मन में बहुत सेंसिटिविटी है. इवन हमारे बड़े कहते थे, जो भी एल्डर्स घर में होते थे जब हम छोटे थे, पानी वेस्ट मत करो, लोगों को पीने के लिए नहीं मिलता. लेकिन हम कहीं जिंदगी की दौड़ में ये भूलते जा रहे हैं कि जो है ये पानी कितना जरूरी है. अपने बच्चों को नहीं सिखा रहे हैं. याद हो अगर सबको, स्कूल में रिसेस होती थी, जो पानी का नल होता था उसके पास लंबी लाइन लगती थी, क्योंकि तब बॉटल ले जाने का रिवाज नहीं था, और कई बार बिना पानी पिए क्लास में वापस आना पड़ता था जब बेल हो जाती थी. लेकिन हम तो अपने बच्चों को बॉटल्स देते थे. हमारे बच्चों को ज्ञान ही नहीं है ऐसी कमी कभी थी और आने वाली है. सो आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस. Water is so important to our life. There had been wars for water across the world and in our country as well. Not only land disputes, water disputes were the major causes of conflicts across the world. We all know about Kaveri disputes, Brahmaputra river dispute, Satluj and Beas river dispute. और कहीं दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिल्ली की न्यूज तो हम देखते ही हैं. दिल्ली में कहते हैं कि हरियाणा वाले पानी नहीं देते. हर समय आपस में खींचातानी होती रहती है. वो कहते हैं हरियाणा ने पानी नहीं दिया, हरियाणा वाले कहते हैं हमने पानी दे दिया. So every time there is a war going on. The future is not good for coming generations. The World Economic Forum has given a global risk report. They have listed water crisis among the top 5 risks in terms of impact on our livelihoods. And for last 8 consecutive years, it has been on the top. Still, the risk remains there only. In spite of awareness, it's not going down. In our country, with increasing population, there is dire need for water conservation. Let me start by asking, can we imagine life without water? जब हम घर बनाते हैं सबसे पहले ये सोचते हैं कि घर बनाने के लिए पानी कहाँ से आएगा। आप प्लॉट में सबसे पहले पानी का सोर्स क्रिएट किया जाता है, और जब घर बन जाता है तो हर जरूरत के लिए पानी चाहिए, कहीं से भी, मतलब चाहे वो खाने के लिए चाहिए, कपड़ों के लिए चाहिए, किसी भी चीज के लिए पानी चाहिए। We had studied in our history books that every civilization, कोई भी civilization हुई है अर्थ पर, वो हमेशा वाटर बॉडीज के अराउंड ही सेटलमेंट्स हुई हैं। People used to travel long distancing in search of water, और जहां पानी मिलता था वहीं पर मतलब सेटलमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाती थी। जितनी भी हम सिविलाइजेशन, हड़प्पा, मोहनजोदड़ो, इवन हमारा जो यमुना रिवर बेसिन है, इवन यूरोप की कोई भी सिविलाइजेशन हम देखें, हम पहाड़ों में जाते हैं, हमने ध्यान दिया होगा, छोटे छोटे विलेजेस दूर दूर नजर आते हैं, हमेशा उनके आसपास कोई ना कोई स्ट्रीम ऑफ वाटर अवेलेबल होगा, कोई रिवर होगी, थोड़ा सा डीप में वैली में सेटल होते हैं लोग जहां पर पानी का स्ट्रीम है। तो सो we have to understand water is the soul of earth, basic need of life. We can't separate both. जीवन का आधार जल है तो कल है। We forget that water cycle and life cycle are one. We can't separate both. Water is the driver of nature. It is a priceless treasure. Save it with pleasure. खुशी से करना है हमें ये सब। यहाँ मैं कहना चाहूंगी, जिसे अब तक ना समझे वो कहानी हूं मैं, मुझे बर्बाद ना करें, पानी हूं मैं। Clean water is inestimably precious to waste. There is a very thin line between using water and wasting water. वो भी हमें जज करना है। One good action of ours, repeated millions of times, can create global change. Rich or poor, everyone needs water. यहाँ पे कोई अमीर गरीब का कोई फर्क नहीं है, सबको पानी चाहिए। We will never know the worth of water till the wells are dry. So, friends, it is our moral responsibility of every citizen to avoid abuse of water, focus on adapting methods to save and conserve water. We all know at personal level how to do it. We should make people aware about this. Our children, our helps, our staff, we can tell them how to avoid abuse of water, how to judiciously use it. I'm not going in detail how to do it because everybody is intelligent and know it. But I want to talk about this again and again and give a reminder call to everyone and to myself as well, so that we remember it and do it. We know water is a perishable source. So once it gets depleted, it takes long years to replenish. It doesn't grow on trees. कि हमने पेड़ से तोड़ लिया और हमें पानी मिल जाएगा. So I want to share few facts about water. 97% of water available on earth is saline water. So 3% is the water left for us, fresh water. And out of that, you can't imagine 2% is already locked in ice caps and glaciers. So all over the world, we have only 1% of total water which is available for use. Is it not scary? And imagine in India's situation. India has 17% of world population. And India has 4% of that, only 1% total reserve. Imagine the situation. It is high time we talk about this. Imagine one day without water, waste water today and live in desert tomorrow. Water is a gift of our Creator. Protect it and respect it. This problem is not only for the government to think over. The responsibility lies on us as well. It is very easy to talk and write on the social platforms and cities में हमारे यहाँ तो पानी हम लोग नहीं आएगा एक दिन तो पीने का हम बाजार से ले आएंगे. But imagine the situation in far-flung areas, in villages. They have to really travel long distances to fetch their drinking water. Their agriculture also depend on nature. That is rains. If no rain, they don't have water. So, जो जागरूकता उनमें हमें आई नहीं है. They have collected themselves. तो उन्होंने क्या किया है, एनजीओ और गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज के साथ काम करना शुरू कर दिया है. हम तो अभी बात ही कर रहे हैं. They are already working on it. You will be surprised that women are working better than males. So I was impressed by such stories. I used to watch Epic channel and I was impressed by such stories on Eco India program. How the villagers coming together and with the help of NGOs and government, they are creating ponds. They are not educated much, but they know they have to do it. Just now Madam said, they have to do it. They are creating ponds, water bodies. Water table is also rising in their fields. And now their fields are greener comparatively. Their cattle gets enough feed there only inside the villages. And once there is no rain, they have enough feed for their cattle. So they have alternate source of income also. So that they can sell milk in nearby cities. Here is one story from one village from Maharashtra, which Malti is sharing the video. Please see the video.
पड़ता था।
बाकी इसमें ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है।
आज पानी में खेलने वाले ये वो बच्चे हैं जिन्हें स्कूल छोड़ दिन भर टैंकर्स की
मालती शुरू से कर दे, शुरू से।
भरपूर पानी से भरे कुएं, सुखी और संतुष्ट परिवार, गांव में बहता अपार आनंद। खुशी में डूबी ये वो महिलाएं हैं जिन्हें पानी के लिए हर रोज मीलों भटकना पड़ता था। आज पानी में खेलने वाले ये वो बच्चे हैं जिन्हें स्कूल छोड़ दिन भर टैंकर्स की राह देखनी पड़ती थी।
टँकर आला ना आमच्या गावाला वर्षी, आता इथून पुढे येणारच नाही। पाऊस काळ झाला ना, एक वर्षभर पाणी हटणार नाही गावचं।
जिस जमीन पर आज फसलें लहलहा रही हैं, ये वही जमीन है जिस पर पिछले साल तक एक तिनका भी नहीं उगता था।
गेल्या वर्षी ह्या दिवसात थेंब पाण्याचा नव्हता, पण ह्या वर्षी अशा पद्धतीची कंडिशन आहे की पूर्ण शिवार आमचं हिरवगार झालेलं आहे।
और आज पानी से समृद्ध ये वही गांव हैं जो पिछले साल तक सूखाग्रस्त थे।
जिथं जाईल तिथं तमाम पाणी आहे। तलावात पाणी आहे, बिल्डिंगी भरलेल्या आहेत, वड्याला पाणी वाहतंय, विहिरी तमाम आहेत। मन इतकं प्रसन्न झाले की आमचा पुनर्जन्म झाला का काय। तालुक्यामध्ये 106 गाव आहेत। आमच्या गावची ओळख शेवटच्या 6 मध्ये होती।
ऐसा क्या जादू हुआ कि सूखा निसर्ग निर्मित नहीं बल्कि मानव निर्मित है, और इसीलिए इंसान अगर चाहे तो एक बहुत आसान उपाय से सूखे से छुटकारा पा सकता है। प्रशिक्षण पाकर गांव वापस आए लोगों ने अपने अपने गांव में आसानी से इस्तेमाल करे जाने लायक इस विज्ञान को जमीनी स्तर पे अमल में लाने का मन बनाया। सभी आपसी मतभेद एक तरफ रखकर गांव एकी के साथ इस काम में आगे बढ़े।
कुठलं तरी असं जर पुढे ध्येय असेल तर माणूस पळतो त्याच्या पाठीमागं। तसं ते वॉटर कपनं आम्हाला ध्येय दिलं आणि मग आम्ही त्याच्या मागं सुसाट वेगानं जसं तुफान आलंय म्हणत पळत सुटलो।
स्त्री पुरुष, स्कूली बच्चे, वृद्धजन, सब लोगों ने जी तोड़ मेहनत की। देखते ही देखते पानी के लिए शुरू हुई इस मुहिम ने एक बड़े जन आंदोलन का रूप ले लिया। लाखों लोगों ने मिलकर श्रमदान किया और हर स्तर के सरकारी अधिकारियों ने भी इस मुहिम में एक बेजोड़ भूमिका निभाई। जलयुक्त शिवार और दूसरी कई योजनाओं के अंतर्गत गांव को जल संधारण के काम के लिए आर्थिक मदद मिली। जमीन पर घटते इस चमत्कार को देखकर समाज के विभिन्न घटकों ने भी गांव की तरफ मदद के हाथ बढ़ाए और उनके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर काम किया। और देखते ही देखते कभी एक एक टैंकर पानी को तरसते इन गांवकरियों ने 45 दिन की छोटी सी अवधि में 8,261 करोड़ लीटर पानी जमा करने की क्षमता का निर्माण किया। ये इतना पानी है कि अगर इसे 10,000 लीटर की क्षमता वाले टैंकर्स में भरा जाए तो 82,61,000 टैंकर्स भर जाएंगे। और यदि ये टैंकर्स एक के पीछे एक खड़े कर दिए जाएं, तो इनकी लंबाई इतनी होगी कि ये पूरी पृथ्वी को 1.24 बार घेर लेंगे। मॉनसून का आगमन हुआ और इस साल बारिश में कुछ खास बात हुई। लोगों के इस पराक्रम को देखकर इस साल भर से पानी ने उनके द्वारा बनाई गई संरचनाओं में ठहरकर जैसे उनके श्रम और शिल्प को सलाम किया है। पानी लोगों से मिलकर और लोग पानी से मिलकर खुशी से झूम उठे। लोगों ने सूखे से लड़ने की अपनी आंतरिक शक्ति को पहचान लिया और पानी के साथ एक नया नाता बनाया।
पानी से सभी मिलकर कितने खुश हुए, मतलब दिस वाज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग। और ऐसी बहुत वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं इको इंडिया पर, जो कि राजस्थान, गुजरात, तेलंगाना, इवन हिमाचल, मतलब सब जगह से इफ यू सी दे यू रियली गेट इमोशनल हाउ दे आर डूइंग इट. So in future, any such opportunity I will get, I will definitely like to work in this area. So friends, don't forget to save the rains. Let's prevent tomorrow's empty plains. Don't be the leak in the global flow. The best gift we can give to our coming generation is water. So यहाँ पर मैं एक कविता सुनाना चाहूंगी। पानी ओ पानी, जिस रंग ढालो यह ढल जाए, मन को खूब लुभाता पानी। कलकल करती नदियों को सागर से मिलवाता पानी। सूरज की तपिश से भाप बन उड़ जाता पानी। उदास खेतों में लाए हरियाली, तब बड़ा सुहाता पानी। प्यास में अमृत बन जाता, जीवन यही चलाता पानी। हो जाता गमगीन तब तब, हो जाता गमगीन तब तब, जब जब जाया जाता पानी। जल बचाओ थल बचाओ, संदेश यह सुनाता पानी। पीढ़ियां कल न रहेंगी प्यासी, गर मानव आज बचाता पानी। सो जल संरक्षण हो हम सबका नारा, ताकि संतुलित रहे पर्यावरण हमारा। पानी के बारे में तो मैंने काफी बोला है, लेकिन आज हैप्पीनेस पे भी बोलना है, तो मैं एक दो कुछ वर्ड्स और बोलना चाहूंगी। We are all in the journey of self-development and self-improvement. So we know if life has given us lemons, you have to accept them with the bad. So smile with the sad. Do good for others. It will come back to you in unexpected ways.
That's right.
Love what you have now and remember what you had earlier. Patience is one of the keys to success and should not expect result very fast. There is a beautiful quote that what I want to say, it conveys that. Greatness takes time. Just remember, it takes 13 hours to build a Toyota on assembly line, but it takes 6 months to carve a Rolls Royce. So patience is the key. So keep doing the work, be patient. Trust the process which is happening around you. Although I know it's not so easy, but be optimistic, but not overconfident. Optimism can turn any situation into an achievable one. It should be like, as madam says, we can do it. ये बहुत important line है madam की, we can do it. Be kind and humble. Kindness is the essence of our existence. We can make huge impacts in the lives of people around us. Take your own decisions. Nobody else knows better than you. Take help and guidance if you want or need. Final call should rest on you. Lastly, I want to say, life never bestow good days who don't hustle. We must be ready to work endlessly. Be consistent and determined to work. And friends, get used to what people say, what people think about you. Live your life with your values and wisdom, which you have gained throughout your life. बदल जाओ वक्त के साथ या फिर वक्त बदलना सीखो। मजबूरियों को मत कोसो, हर हाल में चलना सीखो।
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत
Yes.
सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर,
So
बहुत
thank you everyone for the patient listening. Thank you madam. And here Dr. Sujit, आपका मैं बहुत thank you करना चाहूंगी for everything in my life. I thank ETGF team, Dr. Jyoti Agrawal, Dr. Jyoti Bhaskar, Meenakshi, Dr. Deepti Naab, Dr. Poonam Goel, and everybody here today. And I wish our DGF family to reach more heights. Long live DGF. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर.
बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर. I think
इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे ओरेशन सुने मैंने. आज का ओरेशन सुनकर दिल बहुत खुश हुआ.
it was wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
बहुत
I
खुश.
think if you speak your heart, if you really speak your heart, if your mind is concentrating on the focus, it's
हाँ, इसमें कोई भी लाइन दिखावे वाली नहीं थी. Everything was from my heart.
आज जागना पड़ेगा सबको.
Natural.
जागो, जागो, जागो.
एकदम नॅचरल.
मुझे सबसे पहले मतलब इट वाज सच अ यूनिक, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया में वर्ल्ड में इट वाज फर्स्ट थिंग. और अब हम किसी बर्थडे पार्टी में भी जाते हैं तो लोग एज रिटर्न गिफ्ट देते हैं, मतलब तो कहीं ना कहीं मैम में ये शक्ति है कि वो स्टार्ट कर सके कुछ.
And we pray that वो बनी रहे, शक्ति बनी रहे, the guiding
बने रहे.
it should go on. But you just did a wonderful
I must
job.
say, Dr. Deepshika, it is your day today.
Yes.
It was absolutely great.
Yes.
Absolutely great.
Great.
Now, at this particular time, I re-announce again the next oration. Mamta Lekhi Memorial Oration goes to Dr. Vandana Gupta. And after that, it is Dr. Abha Sharma. So I think, the legacy are already there. Behind you, Dr. Sujit, and now Deepshika. I'm making a pedestal a little more higher.
Yes.
It is concerned.
She's really
Dr. Sujit, you want to say something?
No, I
Yes,
just
sir, you want to say
Yes, sir,
something? Dr. Jyoti Bhaskar?
too small to say anything over there. I just told you earlier, when you think of nation, she is the one face. If you think of DGF, she is the one face. That is really, she has just done well on that subject. And we are really thank you, Dr. Deepika. She has brightened our day. It is not. Now everybody has to juggle. All really are impressed. We have to be awakened with this. This is a call. This is a call for everyone. Everyone who is listening, everyone who is understanding, this is a call. We have to do it. We have to, and we will do it. Don't waste it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and I would just like to first of all congratulate Dr. Deepshika. I remember 2015 when we had first for our picnic to Manasa. That time Deepshika would stand at the back and say "Aise karo, aise karo, aise karo." But today, to see you on the screen, right? You're looking so strong. You're looking so beautiful. Means I don't have objectives to speak for you, and the way you have spoken to me.
नहीं, it is all love of all of you. Please, I thank you
Such
all.
confidence, with such passion.
From your heart.
Yes, straight from your heart. And I remember your particular passion for water, your passion for happiness, your passion for spirituality. I think it has just seeped into our hearts.
Yeah.
It was not just your voice, but your whole appearance, which really touched us deep. And as Dr. Sujit said, yes, we are today going to take a vow and pledge that each one of us in
You made us scary. खुशी के आंसू.
I am.
scary होने
मेरे तो आ रहे हैं.
खुशी के आंसू.
डॉक्टर साहब विलेजेस में जाकर देखना पड़ा कितनी मेहनत करी उन्होंने.
Yes.
I'm a blessed person. On one hand, I'm remembering my beloved friend Dr. Mamta, and on the other hand, talking Dr. Deepshika. What a wonderful day for me.
Now, anybody wants to make any comment about Dr. Deepshika's oration? Welcome, otherwise we will take it forward.
Ma'am, wonderful oration.
Want to say something?
Yeah, wonderful oration. And only one word explains water, the preciousness of water. As one of my friends used to say, it's blue gold. And she coined the right term. It is gold, and we have to treasure it as a precious element.
2 years back.
Also,
2 years back, we had Madam has suggested some fillers before 2:30, from 2:15 to 2:30 during the lunch. She always was very keen that we sing a song or we talk, and that is the time when Dr. Deepshikha had made a small presentation on water preservation. And earlier, before that also, I remember Deepshikha with her long hair, and she had come all the way. We had a talk at the Hotel Leela, and she was very busy and there were some family issues, and she had come and she actually came and hugged me because there was a talk on management of depression and I was crying. I had lost my father then. So she came and hugged me and she said, I am here because of all of you. And she gave a lot of credit to Sharda ma'am. And Dr. Bhaskar was with me and I was there, and she hugged me and she said, you know, जैसे तुम बोल रही हो ना, ऐसे मैं भी बहुत कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ, और मैं आई इसीलिए हूँ कि you know, like, I'm unable to express it in words, but my presence is expressing that I am here with all of you. And I remember that time we hugged and we cried, and look at her now. It is such a intensely proud moment.
Yeah.
Thanks to Dr. Sharda ma'am for giving us this platform, for boosting us,
Really.
for bringing us up till here. Thank you so much. And
No, doctor. I think what you've been hearing, all the subjects, gynae, obstetrics, I think. This
yes,
session is
wonderful,
something
Dr.
super.
Deepshikha. Wonderful. Very
बढ़िया,
nice.
Thank you.
And for this
The best comment, the medical representatives, they say that the East Delhi Forum is the most learned forum. Baki Delhi-